morning, YouTube. Hope you're all doing well. It is a cold, rainy, misty, overcast day here in Vermont. Definitely feels like fall. I had to run the heater last night to stay warm. And today, I'm traveling east along Vermont 90. I keep looking at my Waze. I don't have any service right now, so. But I know I'm traveling east on Vermont 9, which also runs through New Hampshire, and I might be getting that far today. We'll see. I don't have a boondocking spot picked out, so I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled for some free camping. And I will let you guys know what I find and take you along for the route. Oh, look at all the trees up here. The reds and oranges, and I'm really excited about being east here for this fall, this autumn. There'll be some really neat sights. Welcome to New Hampshire. This must be... You know what? Oh no, I don't see any signs here. Bittersweet Lane? This is interesting. Huh. Cracking up when I pulled in here to, I was like literally just had gotten into New Hampshire. I'm like, are my eyes seeing free camping? So yeah, I parked right here, totally level, and right outside my door here, this is the Connecticut River out here. And interestingly enough, you want to know how crazy this is? So where I'm standing right here, this is the state of New Hampshire, a new state. That right there on the other side of that river, that's Vermont again. That's where I just came from. So this bridge that goes over it is actually the state divider. I guess the water is really the state divider. But anyway, really, really happy. I'm happy for everything. I'm happy it's not raining. I'm happy that I found a free place to boondock. By the way, my personal GPS coordinates, pop them down on the screen below. Let's not abuse this place, though. Please clean up after your garbage. There are no rules, no signs, no information, anything. So let's just respect the land since it's available. I'll log into freecampsites.net and add an unofficial new potential overnight camping spot, as long as it's okay to camp here. Let's walk down by the river here a little bit. So here you can see how close you can get to the water here. Yeah, you are going to have the bridge noise with the 91 freeway there, or whatever it is, highway. But yeah, water's pretty high here in the fall. The driving trail seems to go back here a little farther. I'm just going to go over the bridge here real quick. It's not really that loud of a spot. There is, looks like somebody's kind of set up a little homeless encampment here under the overpass as well. So, well, they may be back later tonight, so just, yeah, I guess I'll lock up the vehicle and, but yeah, not bad. I don't think I'm going to go swimming. My plans could change. I could, inflate the kayak and go out there, or take the inner tube or something, but it's supposed to rain later, so probably not. Hey Jax, pretty soon you're going to have some grass inside to chew on. What do you think? So there's the state of the organic cat grass that I grew. I love this little planter. Got this while I was with Morgan down in Syracuse, I think. It's just perfect for cat grass. It's going to have a lot of it to chew on, so awesome. Hopefully that keeps Jax from chewing my palm tree and my croton. All right, let's add New Hampshire. Right there. Looking good. Hey guys, this is Jax, my kitty cat. I'm his servant, Eric. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel here on RVing. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up below. Make sure you subscribe, check out all our other videos, and keep following us on the road. Thanks guys.